Our newly launched outdoor advertising machine is equipped with the industry-leading P1.25 ultra-high-resolution COB module, presenting delicate picture quality and bright colors, perfectly displaying your brand and advertising content. With an all-aluminum frame and AG-tempered glass, it has a beautiful appearance, is durable, corrosion-resistant and high-temperature resistant. On the other side is the light box, with a unique vertical double-sided side door structure, which makes equipment maintenance and module replacement easier, and can be easily operated by one person, greatly shortening the maintenance time. Modular design, module replacement is extremely easy. With IP56 waterproof and dustproof function, it can display stably during the day, at night, or in windy and rainy weather, ensuring the best display effect. Suitable for high-traffic places such as commercial areas, squares, scenic spots, and transportation hubs, so that your advertising content always maintains strong exposure and accurate dissemination, helping brand growth.